We good.
Believe it or not, we're in Miami right now, and we're gonna be eating at sketchy restaurants for 24 hours.
We got sketchy restaurants for, we're eating at sketchy restaurants for 24 hours.
So, let's get started. Come on. Oh my God, keep this rolling, dude. Good Lord. Anyways, guys, we are about to be eating breakfast here at...
So it's sketchy because it's in the hood?
Castle, and let me tell you, this is the least royalty I've ever seen. That is crazy. I almost want to document it, but I'm scared. I can't believe what I just saw. You saw what happened out there?
No, I ain't really.
Oh, damn, that car.
He fell off the bike.
The girl hit him. The girl hit him. The girl hit him.
By the time people pulling up here like this,
She hit him with the bike?
cars.
Right.
They looking on the side.
Yeah.
Exactly, I know.
Yeah, he's in the wrong, if anything.
Yeah.
But I ain't gonna tell him that.
No, she hit him with the
Do
bike.
you have a 4-pack of those sliders, the Castle Burgers?
4 6-packs?
Oh, no.
Four
4 burgers. Sorry. I want to do the corned beef hash with the grits and eggs.
Would you like wheat bread white or
All right, let me see the menu. Hold on.
Let's add a pan.
Grits with cheese. That, see, this cool. This cool. This cool. This cool. This, you wasting your $10. I might just, I don't know, bro. Beef liver? Y'all out here eating beef liver? This cool. This, hey, y'all ain't never had this? Y'all need to try. This bang. This cool. And if it was steak and cheese omelet,
Cake for a dollar.
trip.
And then maybe try one of those breakfast sandwiches.
water patty?
Wait, what's better? Let's do it.
Let's do that.
445.
Thank you very much. This is one way to start off our Miami video, you guys. I'm telling you, I've lived in Florida for now
I ain't even see it was in Miami.
months, and I think the sketchiest part of Florida is Miami. Believe it or not, a lot of people think this is the place you come to vacation and see beautiful beaches. Nah, this is the place where you duck down and hide, and you keep your head down and you keep walking. This shit is crazy.
You gotta be on a swivel out here.
Yeah, you gotta be looking around. That's why I like this place. It's full of windows. I can make sure I'm looking around at all places at all times. Regardless, this restaurant, it's interesting.
I mean, right here, it look kind of cool. Like the outside look a little, right here it look cool. It look good.
I can make sure
It's
I'm
clean.
looking around at all places at all times.
Oh my God. There's something going on right here already, bro.
Regardless, this restaurant,
This, it still look, I mean, they need to cut the grass a little bit, fix the sign, but it's cool. It's cool.
it's interesting from the outside. I hope it tastes good on the inside. I guess we'll wait and see. We were just saying about how long this is taking, and there's literally a sign that says, "We are not a fast food restaurant. Everything is made to order. Please be patient." So I think that's God telling me to chill the freak out. All right, so the food's about to be approaching the table, but before it does, check out the merch that I'm going to be repping throughout this video. You
I ain't gonna lie, they can say that, but I ain't waiting 30 minutes for no
something
food.
up while supplies
I might
last, all right?
dip.
It's coming.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Oh my God. What? Bro, that bitch look banging. What? I ain't gonna lie, I need that. This cool. That's cool too. Oh my God, the sliders. Can y'all see? Yeah, the sliders. Oh my
Breakfast
God.
has been served and everything looks really good. I'm excited
You can keep the ketchup though.
to jump into things. This is all like straight up home cooked meals right here. So I'm excited. As you guys know, with my plate, I literally just had this what was it called? Bacon hash?
I don't know, mine's falling apart.
All right, go for your bite. I just had this bacon hash.
Oh
with
my
hot
God,
sauce
bro.
and
Y'all don't
fire.
know how good that
Corned
is,
beef
bro.
hash, that's what it's called. Go for it. Wow. Oh my God. That's fire. How is it?
It's so basic of a meal.
Amazing.
But it's so flavorful.
Amazing.
I feel like the sandwiches don't usually have like a whole sausage.
Amazing, bro.
No way, like they're legit doing it right, but their bacon hash is unbelievable here. Like this is how it's properly supposed to be done. At the hospital was good, but this is better. They're definitely doing craftsmanship.
Oh my God.
Literally two full
It keep
sausages
getting better. What sauce is that, bro?
is split in half.
What sauce is that?
That's fire hot sauce too. I can see
Oh, hot
this
sauce.
as
Okay.
definitely a morning spot for people
That's
to
cool.
come, hang out, meet someone new, talk to them. So everybody's very friendly here. I like that. Now I'm gonna jump into these grits. Never really been a huge fan of grits, so we're gonna add a little bit of sugar,
Tripping.
make it a little bit better.
What y'all add to y'all grits? Y'all add salt and pepper, like I do. I'm just a normal dude. Cheese, I ain't never had it. I had it like twice. It was cool, but it ain't better just than plain salt and pepper. Now, if you adding sugar in your grits, exit my chat right now. Exit right now. I ain't gonna lie, that's crazy.
Yep, classic grits. Hard to swallow, but you know me, I wanna eat them. With all that sugar though, makes it sure a lot better.
Oh my God, he put sugar in it. I might click out this video.
Sugar on their grits?
Yeah, I've heard sugar, sweet and low. This one also has a bunch of butter all over the plate. Like the cardiac arrest here is no joke, okay? All right, last but not least, we got an egg. I mean, an egg is an egg, right? Like, is it really necessary?
Oh my
There's
God,
obviously no
that's too much
seasoning
salt.
on this, which I've found to be a very interesting thing. But then again, some people like a lot of salt, some like a little. So much butter though, I'm not actually worried. Cook just how I like it, but throw the whole thing
He
in.
not even saying nothing. I know it bang. He didn't say how, like, he didn't say nothing. This, what he eating is cool. It's like, probably like a 7 out of 10. This is a 10. 10 out of 10 sandwich, bro.
Squirt in the back of your throat.
Just how I like it. Everything here, it's good. I haven't found one thing that I'm like, ew. That sandwich was delicious. My whole plate is delicious. It's definitely the spot to come for breakfast. Sliders look delicious.
quiet, too.
The bun is so soft. It's like Hawaiian bread. Mine's good. Got a little pickle in here, a little mustard, a little ketchup.
Mine's a little dry.
It is somewhere I would stop by if someone said, hey, you want to go?
See,
get
I'll
breakfast?
take it.
Yeah.
I don't really like ketchup on my burger.
I needed more butter for my pancake, and let me tell you, this pancake is as yellow as it gets. There's enough butter.
But as long as ain't no mayo, I'm cooling.
Through winter. That's all I'm gonna say. Crispy edges. This is a good
I don't
looking
like
pancake,
that.
can't lie.
Y'all can disagree. I don't like crispy edges on my pancakes. I hate it. I hate it so much.
Overall, pretty good. I mean, what would you rate this place?
For $30, I'm full.
I mean, you could go to IHOP.
$30, that's
A
it?
place like this.
I ain't right
What?
here.
Way better. You're getting time put into your food that they actually care about. It's tasty. Good vibe.
On a breakfast scale, I give this like a 6-8.
6-8, really? Oh, I'm higher than that. Like, I like this place. I'm not gonna lie to you. Every dish I had was absolutely
6?
delicious. So
Out
I
of
give it
10?
7 too. We still got more places.
A 7?
Sketchy spots to find.
See, I don't know. It looked good, but I don't know how it tastes, so I ain't
Let's
gonna.
get out there and let's go looking. Let's go. Come on. Alrighty, folks, it's lunchtime, and we might have found one of the sketchiest spots here in Florida. Let's go check this out. Seafood? I'm down for it. Come on.
Seafood, cool.
Damn, dude, they got a big line for this spot.
It must bang,
Not
though.
messing around. I'm
There's a
excited.
lot of people
Let's
outside.
take a peek. Oh, they got a fish market. We'll go check that out after we order. Ooh. Can I get one fish soup, fish empanada, and then the Key West snapper and ceviche? Yes, one. I'm sorry? Plain
Salad.
A salad, you said? Oh, yes, yes. To go? Oh, yes, rice and beans. Thank you.
I didn't know what he said.
Damn, look at that shit. Real quick. Oh, God, perfect. Muy buen. Muy bien. We'll put this down in the car real quick, and then we're going to go check out the seafood market. Maybe we want to bring some home. Damn, bro. This is where you come, huh? They got everything. They even got lobsters. Lobsters for only 13
Let's go in.
bucks. Come
It's
here.
per pound.
$13 a pound, bro. That's a good deal. They take a couple of these back home to the casa. Yellowtail. They got it all. Look at this. Fresh cut salmon. Man, I didn't even know you can get salmon in Florida.
That looks really good.
Blue crab. Alright, we in the
I'm cool off
cut,
the blue crab.
like Neosporin.
And a snow crab.
I didn't even know Miami looked like that.
I thought it was all skyscrapers and BBLs. Boy, were we wrong. The surrounding area was sketch. We drove by and we had people yelling at us.
Hood.
Outside the car.
Hood.
Anyways, we ordered our food. I mean, it seemed like a pretty poppin' spot, so let's check this stuff out. And one thing I want to point out is like, do they have a bunch of fried fish already done? Because that came out so fast.
They had to have a bunch.
But it's still hot. Let's check this out. Oh boy, look at that. Fried
Where's-
snapper, dude.
Oh,
Rice and
I was finna say where are the
We'll open
beans?
that up and show you guys when we open it. We do gotta watch our backs though, because we are on a busy street right here. Ceviche.
Ooh.
Where's the beans?
I mean,
Oh,
those are some decent sized shrimp in
okay,
there.
okay.
Okay.
I mean,
Hey, I'm cool.
look at this. Every bag
He
comes
said.
with a full lime plus half.
I just want to know where the
Look at that
beans
center
was,
bag.
bro.
Full. Soup time. Oh god, it just burned my hand.
Fish soup.
Fish soup. You
Leave
can't
that open
see
over
much.
there so it can cool down.
Yeah, my hand's got 3rd degrees on them now. But let's check this out. Next up, empanadas. So let's
Alright,
start
those
with
look
these.
the best
We already
out
got
of
them out.
everything.
I mean, these things are thick, bro. These are no joke with empanadas. Usually you get empanadas and they're flat. Not
Sure.
flat, but they're like, this is big. I mean, look at this thing. Let's check out the inside. Seasoned on the outside. Oh boy. Not sure what's in here. Mixed fish and shrimp. Could have probably been fine with one, but you know us, we got 2. Let's try this thing. Wow.
Wow.
That came in for a second punch.
Definitely needs a little lime and it needs a little bit of hot sauce, but we don't have that.
You know, I saw someone in the comments say, these guys are sauce guys.
They had limes
Doesn't
in
have
it,
sauce,
right?
I don't like
Am
it.
I tripping?
I like it as
They had whole limes, right?
it is. Sauce would just make it a little bit better. That's all I'm saying. That's phenomenal.
That's delicious.
Little baby shrimps in each one, but damn, they pack a punch. Oh, what the f? The guy's license plate just fell off.
No, he just ran over one.
I'm telling you, you gotta watch your back out here. Dude, we gotta watch our back.
Hey, bro, what was she doing with that pole, bro? Why was she cleaning it? All right, bro. All right. What's
Like
that?
matzo ball. Okay, it's really like a matzo ball soup.
Yeah, it's not like it's a different type of fish that I was used to. It was
I
like,
think it's just been soaking for so long.
I'm cool
was
off that.
breaded, though.
You can keep
There
it.
is some noodles down there.
oh, is that noodles or that rice? That looks like rice.
It's kind of giving me like sopa de, what's the soup mom makes?
Abondiga.
Abondiga, but with fish.
It's really good. It's definitely different than your classic chicken noodle soup.
It's definitely on the basic
So
side of
it's
it, though.
fish and
Not
noodle,
bad, honestly,
noodle
and
soup.
every single person,
Cool.
like I said, was eating that bowl of soup. So
Let's
we
do
had
that-
to give it a try.
Let's do that ceviche.
Next up, we got cold ceviche. And with ceviche, I've always been used to eating it like
No, this
with a
this
dish.
this hit.
Never have I ever like eaten it as a soup, but the more we've eaten ceviche here in Florida, the more I've seen it's
Hold on.
served as a soup.
See, y'all don't pay attention in videos. I do.
So
Let's
we
do
had
that-
to give it a try.
I
Let's
do.
that ceviche.
Next up, we got cold ceviche. And with ceviche, I've always been used to eating
He just said they ain't had no lime. He just said they didn't have no lime. What is he squeezing in there?
it like with a chip.
tostadas.
Never have I ever like eaten it as a soup, but the more we've eaten ceviche here in Florida, the more I've seen it's served as a soup. Ooh,
It's pretty good. It's a little too tomatoey.
yeah. I was
It's
just
like a shrimp cocktail more than a ceviche. I think it needs a lot more
a
lime.
lot more lime. The shrimp is good
The shrimp
though.
is good.
It's just very
I think-
tomato based.
I think I'll go in for my second bite with less juice.
I'm not even gonna stir the lime. I'm just gonna leave it up top for us.
It's good.
It's good. Nothing to complain about there. I mean,
It's not ceviche.
yeah, it's different. It's just shrimp inside of a tomato broth. Anyways, next up, we got some Key West snapper right here.
Look at
This
those
is a
teeth.
big freaking fish, man. If I caught this, like, I'd be pretty happy. This would be a successful day for me. Oh my God, he's got lockjaw. Can't even open that thing. Yeah, he's got
That
lockjaw.
look good.
Now, if you don't do this with your fish, you're crazy. Dude, so much good lime juice in that.
They just said they didn't have any lime. See, I'm about to get mad,
Down,
bro.
my friend. Oh,
Wow.
That's good.
Very juicy still.
Mhm.
Maybe it was all the lime we just squeezed, but damn, that's good fish. Even the skin is delicious on this thing.
Mm.
Yeah, you
It
can't go
tastes
wrong.
Hot
fresh.
sauce.
Like, you can't go wrong with it.
I mean, just by the look of that seafood market that they had on the other side, you can most definitely tell they are catching a boatload of fish there. No pun intended. Let's see if it's got a brain. We're gonna check if this fish got a brain. I'm gonna eat it. Where would a fish brain be? Like in the normal spot of a brain? Oh, right here. This might be half of its fish brain right here.
You crazy.
I just tasted what 2 IQ tastes like. Here's the other half of it. Right out the back of its head. A lot more fishier and a lot more slimy, but damn, tastes good. Just need a little lime on it. Honestly, can't go wrong with this place. I can tell why it's so busy. They have a lot of different
Look, can y'all hear me?
options.
Can y'all hear me?
When
Can y'all
we
hear
went
me?
into the seafood market, $13 a pound for some big, giant king lobsters. Regardless, delicious. So that'd be like a spot where someone tells me, yo, give me a spot
That'd
that
be good.
people don't know in Miami. I'd tell them that spot. Damn, look at these beans. God, it's cold out here. Let's see this. What
Is
the?
there fish in there?
Oh, it's like onion. Let's give it a taste. Nice pinto beans. Mmm. Damn, that's good. The bean juice is good. I drink this on Christmas morning. Ah, that's probably the best bean juice ever. Let's quickly rate this spot, okay? Because we're gonna be eating a lot today, and we gotta give proper rating. So I'm gonna give this
This was
spot for
lunch.
what it was. I'm pushing 8. Yeah.
I was gonna say 8,
I was
6.
okay. That's good. I'm at 8. I liked it a lot.
This is higher
Very
than
good. I'd come back to
the breakfast. Nah.
it. I think I would order something different this time, but I think I'd most definitely come back. We're still gonna be hitting some more sketchy spots today, so let's get on out there on the road and let's go find them. Ooh, come on. Alrighty,
Dinner time.
It's dinner time. We got this spot behind us. I'm not even sure it's an actual restaurant. Let's get in there and let's go find out. Come on.
All right. This looks like the worst looking place in the inside. Now watch this be the best tasting place that they tried today. Watch. It's dead in there. Nobody there.
I'm gonna do the honey hot wings, and then I want to
Already won. They already won, bro. They got wings. They already won.
get the pork chop sandwich, and then
I'm
I
cool
want
off
to
the
get
pork
the
chop.
oxtail.
Oxtail?
Let's get baked
They already
beans
won.
and some mac and cheese. Let's get yellow rice.
They won
Yeah,
already.
that's all. We got
Yeah.
the banana pudding. It's been since Nashville.
It's been too long for that. Oh,
Like that.
Is it sitting on snow?
I think it is on snow.
We're waiting for the food. We got about 10 minutes to wait, so in the meantime,
That one looks dangerous.
do your thing.
All right.
Oh yeah.
And this is Jake's bathroom.
Is it a bike in the bathroom?
Review. First off, there's a whole ass electric bike in here, which I might have to like. His and hers. What if I gotta take a number 2? Can I still use hers? Overall, a little slippery.
I hate bathrooms like that. I knew he was gonna say that. I just knew it.
Smells pretty good in here. I mean, I think it's actually nicer in here than it is outside. But hopefully this is ready to speak.
One thing I noticed is there's a bullet hole in the window.
Oh. Whoa.
Oh my god, I was just sitting there. That doesn't look like it's from the inside. It almost looks like it's from the outside. Actually, no, that looks like it's from the inside. I was just sitting there.
It didn't just happen, though.
That's true, but if it happened once, it can happen again, damn it. The other side of the glass is riddled with gunshot holes as well. Oh my
Yeah.
god. Every window has gunshot
Every window,
holes.
so they got driven by. Let's see if we can find where it hit.
Somebody was in there lacking,
It's
bro.
on the inside though, because the outside window's not hit. Unless they replaced it.
Are there
Or
any
the exit hole
holes
someone got shot
outside?
or inside. Alrighty, we got it. Let's give it a taste.
Oh my God.
Alright,
Y'all better
let's
watch
check this out. So-
Granddad in the back.
This spot, I don't even really know what to say about it. Besides the inherent gunshots through the windows.
That was crazy.
Anyways, let's check out what we got again to its entirety, all right? The wings.
Those look the best part.
Boy, if you don't. Damn, that's right.
They already won.
Those
The
look
dinner
really
won for
gas.
sure.
I mean, those are like triple fried right there. Unbelievable. Next up, we got the oxtail. Boom.
see.
Not
Oh
gonna
my
lie, that
God.
looks good.
That mac and cheese looks questionable. Though.
Questionable.
Yeah.
I mean, it doesn't look too creamy or cheesy. Looks dry. Last but not least,
That looks
this
terrible.
looks horrible. I don't
I'm
even
cool
know
off
what
the
to say
pork
here.
chop.
I ordered the sandwich, and there's.
I don't even
how
like
many
pork chop.
freaking pieces
I'm
of
cool
bread
off
we
of it.
got? We can make 4 sandwiches here. Look, I didn't know what to order for the last one. I kind of just threw out something random. Since we already had fish earlier, I didn't want fish again. And the actually thing that I wanted, which was short rib, was completely sold out. So,
Yeah.
regardless, let's get into this.
I think everything's gonna be hot.
Everything's gonna be hot. Let's open all the boxes.
Yeah, let it cool, let it cool, let it
I mean,
cool.
should we try to make a sandwich real quick with this thing? I mean, look at this, dude. Look at the tomato. That is the least
Oh.
vibrant tomato I've ever seen. I'm still gonna throw it in a sandy. I've never had fried pork chop like this. I mean, look at the sandwich.
I don't know, I think this is all fat.
It doesn't look promising at all, dude. I said I wasn't gonna eat freaking pork, and somehow I always end up eating it.
Not bad. kind of smacks.
Really good seasoning that he has on this, man. Damn, you can see all the seasoning. It actually has good flavor to it, I'm not gonna lie.
It smacks. And if that's the worst looking one and it tastes good, I think it's only gonna go up. So I'm glad we started with the worst.
Yeah, or quote unquote worse. We don't know yet.
No, just
Okay.
by looks. Let's go for these wings.
Right.
No, the wings gotta go
I was
last.
saying,
They the best.
These aren't the
I'm telling you.
smothered ones, but they are smothered in this hot honey sauce.
And it's a honey.
It is honey. Sauce is good. Chicken, like dirty chicken. Really good.
Tastes dirty.
But the sauce is really good. This hot honey sauce, way better than some of these other hot honeys
Alright,
that I've
and the
tried.
inside
The
look
random
kinda-
Miami street chicken.
kinda weird.
Not the worst wing. It is fried pretty good. I like that.
It's definitely one of those things that we've had better, we've had worse, we've had a lot worse.
We've had a lot worse. So now for these oxtail. We've had oxtail recently in our last random food truck
See
video.
this? Those look better. That's how I like my oxtails. Not like this, but the other ones they showed. Those.
That was pretty fatty
Those how they supposed to
oxtail,
be.
but it was still tasty. So
This feels pretty
let's
fatty.
try this one because this one's pretty fatty. I was like jiglet. I could see the what is it called? Jalapeno. That's the
like it.
worst oxtail I've ever tasted, dude.
I don't like it.
The sauce
Oh
on it is
my
all wrong. Is this like a gravy type of sauce?
It is a
It's
gravy
gross.
sauce. It's a gravy sauce.
I don't know why. I just bit into it and it's literally cold. The rest of the plate is hot. Like that rice is good. I did kind of take a little glance and it looked like they had these giant pots in the back that they were cooking all this food in. I don't know.
I think the only ones that can be fresh are probably the wings and the pork chop.
I like the wings. Now going back from this, I like the
we'll
wings.
go back for another bite.
Rice is good.
Oh,
Beans is good.
they're not bad. They're just like really
Oh,
different.
They're very thick. It's like the bean juice is so thick. It's not even juice. It's
It's like
a sauce.
It's like they took barbecue sauce, melted it down until it turned like it hardened.
Not bad though. Let's try this mac and cheese because this is questionable.
I do like mix my black beans, my baked beans.
What
with
is
mac
this
and cheese.
What noodle do we have going on here? Like this.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm not eating that macaroni, bro.
Noodle.
Oh wow.
That look disgusting, bro.
That ain't it.
It's like you're eating paper mache.
It's like you made mac and cheese fresh last night and then you put it in the microwave and you blasted that radioactive waves into it and then this is what it turned into. No bueno.
What's
As
that?
far as a good old corn cake,
It's supposed to be cornbread?
you know, out of everything we just ate.
Oh, that's the
this
thinnest
one
cornbread I ever seen.
Some wings.
Okay.
I'm gonna go back for another bite of that.
Surprisingly, I'm gonna go back for a pork chop bite, even though I said I don't eat pork anymore.
Wow.
It was really good. I kind of liked it.
And the holy grail. Yeah, we gotta try this dessert.
Oh yeah.
Whoa. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
There's a new mixture going on, but
They need to mix it up, but it look bang.
I mean, those are all the vanilla wafers that go inside of this type of pudding.
It's just really they're
That's probably the best
It's
thing
like it
there.
hasn't been
sitting for a
mixed.
long time.
It tastes like really strong banana flavor, which
Yeah.
I like.
It's
Makes me-
artificial though.
You think it's artificial?
Remember those little yellow banana like?
Of
It
course.
tastes like they put a fresh banana in there. But these vanilla wafers are soggy as ever, so it's like banana taste with mush.
It's pretty.
I ain't
good.
gonna lie.
But it's good, yeah.
Y'all can say whatever. I like my vanilla wafer soggy. That's the best way to eat them to me, bro. Which one you like? The vanilla wafers in your banana pudding? Do you like the cookie part? Do you like it hard or soft?
Hard.
You're tripping. You're tripping, bro. The cookies.
Oh, the cookie?
The cookie part, not the banana pudding. Of course, not the banana pudding, but the
it's soft.
cookie. I like mine soft. I don't like it crunchy. I hate it crunchy.
All in all, let's rate this place.
I think all considered ambiance, food, everything like that, I'm gonna give it like a 5.6.
like that.
A little above average, like.
But barely pushing.
Barely,
I
barely.
want to give it like a 5, just a solid 5.
I will say the stuff that we're.
5?
I'm really curious.
All right, the oxtail might have dropped it down, but the wings and the banana pudding I know for sure was banging.
If they're fire.
It must be because of the fact that they're sold out of them.
Yeah.
Because like what he had left kind of just to me tasted like what he had left and he was just selling it to us.
Yeah.
It didn't necessarily taste like there's much love cooked into it. Don't get me wrong, there has been good parts of each thing. But all in all, it's not a place that I would say hop off your couch and go try it right now.
But if you are driving by,
Stop for some
Stop
wings
by.
maybe?
the wings were good.
Wings were good, yeah. I mean, it has its ups, it has its downs.
Yeah.
So I'm not going to say much else.
I'm gonna.
Damn, that bag keeps scaring me.
Yeah. But we're going back for it. So
We're going
it's like,
back. It's like we ain't gonna let it get wasted. Oh my goodness. Okay, we got an hour and a half drive
All right.
home from Miami. So if you
That's the end of this vid. I feel weird because I ain't stream or make a vid in 9 days, and I know that's bad. And I thought I was gonna be consistent, but that's bad.